In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the color scheme for this project and how to select a certain color to use using the eyedropper or color picker. We have been given a color scheme for this project by our client, which can be found in our Google Classroom under the assignment called Clue Reference Files. This assignment has several attachments. The first one you need to worry about is this last one called colorscheme.psd. When I click on it, it will open a larger view. Some people might have a button up top that says open with Photopea. If you have that button, you can go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, you can click on the three dots on the right side of your page and click open in new window, which will then open it in a new window. From there, you're going to click the button that is an arrow pointing down to download the color scheme. So you can see here it has downloaded. When I go to Photopea and I have my project open, I'm going to click File, Open. And here I have colorscheme.psd at the top. So I'm going to click Open. And the color scheme will open in Photopea. Notice I have two tabs here below my tool setting bar. I have the color scheme and I also have my project. And I can click between them just like they're tabs on a computer screen. So in order to select one of these colors, I have two possible methods. The first method is I can use the eyedropper tool. It is the fifth tool down in your toolbox. And when you select it and you click on a color, it will select whatever color you click on, and you'll notice the color picker down here at the bottom of the toolbox will change every time I click on a different color. So you can watch that happen. Now, some people, for some reason, don't have the eyedropper tool. I don't quite know why, but if you don't have it, here's what you can do. Simply click on the top square at the bottom of your toolbox to open the color picker. Here it is. Now, if I have the color picker open and I click somewhere on my project, the color picker will change to whatever color I have clicked on. So I can select a color from my color scheme and then click OK to select it. Once I have my color, I can then store it in my color picker, switch back to my project, and I can use that color. In this case, I can use the paint bucket tool. So the paint bucket tool you might find behind the gradient tool in your toolbox. It's right here, it's about halfway down. The gradient tool is white on the left and fades to get darker. If I right click on the gradient, I will find the paint bucket tool. I can use the paint bucket tool simply by clicking anywhere in my project, and it will fill the whole layer with this color that I had selected. That's it for this video.